Hi, today I will explain about the mesh and site and how we can able to create the meshing roofs. Okay, right. So first of all, I will create the meshing. Okay, so I will open my level 1 floor plan. Now here I have to create grids. Okay, first of all, I have to create the grids. So I have to rename this one just A. Okay, so after that, I have to copy, go to multiple. I can maybe, okay. I created four grids here. So if you want, I can just move it little bit middle. Okay. So these are the grids I created. Okay. Now I can go to choose the matching and side tab. Here you can find out the in place mesh. Okay. So when you click that one, you have to mention the name first. Okay. So after that, here you can find out the model reference and plan. Here you can find out the model. Okay. When you choose the model, after that you have to find out the placement plan. So here you can able to check the pick and here you can able to find out the grid names. So first of all, I choose the grid name A. So after that it is asking for the view. So elevation view, north and south. So I'll keep it north and I can open the open view. After that you can able to choose this SP line and here you can able to draw the roof profile. Okay, right. I created like this. Again, you can go to choose model and choose it the grid B. Again, you can apply the SP line. Again, you can create the profile B. Again, model, use C. Again, you can apply the profile C. Okay, and go to D. Apply the C profile, D profile also. Okay, choose 3D. Now I created three profiles. Okay, so I can go back to my model, choose my D. I can go back to the east. Oh no, I can apply the D also here. Okay, right. Now I can go back to my 3D. So these are the profile we created. Now I have to select these four profiles and make it solid form. Okay, after that you can choose the finish mesh. Here you can find out this is my mesh created. So after that you can go back to the meshing and site, use the roof. Here you can find out the thickness of roof and you can apply and create roof. Okay, now you can find this roof is created through meshing. Can go to choose the shaded one here. This is a way we can create it for our modern roof or slab or anything. Okay, So I can go back to my level 1 plan. I can choose the floor, wall. I can choose this one to level 2. Here I will create one, the walls. Can go back to my 3D. Here I can apply and select this wall. I can choose select all, go to attached top based. I can apply to here. Now it's perfectly fit out from the roof. Okay. So I hope you understand this tutorial. Thank you so much.